When working with Bubble.io to build your SaaS app, you can use the join with text modifier to change how a list of text items is expressed in your Bubble app. So I've got a list of dates here. It's generated by this date picker. If you want to check out how to, what we're doing with this, we're excluding days of the week, but that's another video. Go and check that out. I've got a list here, and at the moment they're separated by commas, and that's not very clear because the date format that I've picked is separating the elements of the date format by commas also, so it's not clear that this is an actual gap between. So I'm going to demo how to use join with, and then I'm going to show how you can use join with a line break. But before I launch into that, Planet No Code, we have been recording Bubble tutorials for, it feels like a very long time now, and you can find even more tutorial videos than you can find on our YouTube channel. We have more on our website, and many are exclusive to our members. So if you're learning Bubble, head over there and join our community. So let's dive into the Bubble app here, and you can see I've just got a list of dates, and I've formatted them in that format. And now I'm going to add the modifier to the end here of join with, or the operator join with. And so I could say join with, and I could put in like a pipe symbol. And then let's go back and refresh it. And you can see it's added in the pipe symbol. What if I wanted to add a bit more of a space between it? Well, I just go back in and I can add a space before and after. There you go, space has been added in. And finally, how do you add in a line break? Because if I was to just go in here and press enter, it auto completes it. It's not helpful. That's not what I want. So I go join with, and then I write in line underscore break. And that tells Bubble to actually treat it as a proper line break, like a return on your keyboard. So very quick demo there. Please like and subscribe to support our channel to get more videos like this. And yeah, go and check out our website, planetnocode.com. And you can even book a one-to-one session with me. We call it Bubble Coaching, and I can help accelerate your Bubble app development.